YouTube. Alright, so I was asked to do a review on the WeePro Universal Anti-Fog Visor Insert. Looks like it's really made for people that don't have Shoeies. Shoeies actually come with the pin lock Evo already, which I have inserted, and it works really well. So without further ado, I'm going to give these a shot. Swing, 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 swing. Alright, this is a donated screen from my RF 1200. So we're just gonna give it a go on a used screen. It's got some scratches.
Anti-fog visor insert for universal application. The WeePro Universal Anti-Fog Visor Insert is made of a unique soft plastic.
And we have a picture of a mountain. Let's open the thing. Ooh, shiny. It's like causing glitter reactions. I'm gonna open this very carefully. Alright, okay, you got some directions here. Step 1, wash your hand. Okay, my hands are pretty clean. Remove label of crap. Okay, find a clean desk. My desk is clean. Remove the positioning mask with red tag. Okay. Gonna take it out of here and set it over there. Remove label. Remove. Okay. I don't get it. You just remove the whole thing, is that what it's saying? Remove the remove label. Install the positioning mask on the outside of your visor. On the outside of your visor, you can adjust it. How is it supposed to be anti-fog if you're putting it on the outside of the visor? Till you feel comfortable. Press the visor insert with
2 hands to fit the visor outside. Match the anti-fog visor insert to no cost with the positioning mask.
That's interesting. Alright, well, I'm just gonna follow the instructions exactly how it says, regardless of how I think that it should go. So the first step is remove the positioning mask with red tag. Here's the red tag. Gonna pull that off. Shia. Remove the remove label. Well, that came off with it, so install the positioning mask on the outside of your visor. Oh, I think it's I think I get it. I think this is supposed to be like your way of positioning it. Come on. Okay. No, that's not right. What is this? What does this have? This doesn't do anything. Oh! These are like little stickers. Okay. So you remove those. And this is to position where you're gonna put it, and it's gonna stick on there. So right there looks about right. Stick. There. Okay, so now we have a target to go for. Okay, so now I guess we're just gonna match it up. This side is the sticky side. I'm getting my fingers all up on it. Okay, so we're gonna match the crosshairs. It looks pretty good. Not bad. I mean, that's not bad. Use one hand to fix it. Insert. Use another hand's finger with fabric to press around the sealed. Okay. Shia. So I'm just kind of pushing it all up on there.
Smoothing it out.
Take this thing off. Okay, so what about the crosshairs though? Oh, okay, there's the last thing. Alright, it's flush in there. Step 5, tear off the mask with blue tag. Okay, so we're just going to pull this off now. Okay, alright. Wow. Okay, so it's like a universal pin lock system for any visor. So if you don't have a Shoei that came with a pin lock, this might be something that you could be using, the WeePro Universal Anti-Fog Visor Insert. I know if I don't have the pin lock in it, it fogs up right away. So I'm gonna just put this on my brand new RF1200. Old and busted, new hotness. Okay, so that's removed. That's actually the transitional lens. That's really freaking awesome. Alright, enough about that. Alright, take this. Okay, it is installed onto my helmet, and now I'm going to, wow, I've never seen the gold with the black. Alright, helmet is on, visor is now down. I'm just gonna breathe a little bit, see if it fogs up at all. Nope. Oh my god, it's not fogging up at all. Wow. Alright guys, well, it definitely works. It's a great product. WeePro, they found me on YouTube, so just asked me to do a review on it. That's my review. It works. It definitely is working just as great as the pin lock does. It went on fine. I mean, here's the pin lock that Shoei comes with, and it just hooks onto these little tabs here. It basically is doing the same thing that this does. It went on just as well. This one, the WeePro, actually comes to the same spot that the Shoei does. So, yeah, I'm talking right now, and if I were motovlogging and riding outside, I'm very confident that this wouldn't fog up. Great product. It's a great product. So look them up on YouTube and eliminate visor fogging. It may save your life. Alright, thank you so much. If you haven't already, please hit that like button and subscribe. Thank you so much to my Patreons. I completely am so thankful for you guys. You have no idea how much it means to me that you guys are supporting me and my videos. So if you would like to become a patron, there's info down below. And yeah, guys, have a great day. All right, take care.